Welcome to Raja Ampat, Indonesia. My name is Johnny Bierman, and I'm a sustainable travel storyteller from my business, Eco Escape Travel. Together with GoPro, we're going to show you one of the most important sustainable travel stories of our time unfolding here at Misool Resort. Kind of a dream come true, so I don't really know how to put that into words more than that, but the fact that I see this sign means more to me than anything I can think of right now, because I've seen it in documentaries and the success story behind this place, and now we're going to see it. And look, there's already a shark right there. We'll get into that whole success story later, because that is something else.
I'm Sabine Templeton. I'm the dive center manager at the Misool Resort, and working very closely with our sister organization, the Misool Foundation.
And I'm Mark Girdman. I'm our Vice President of Asia Pacific Marine Programs for Conservation International, and I've been working closely with the Misool Foundation and the resort for the last 10 years or so.
Misool Resort was basically built on the idea of conservation and preserving the local ecosystem for generations to come, and also restoring it after bomb fishing and shark finning decimated the area. So it was a conservation effort first to create a marine protected area, and then that conservation effort is funded by the resort. So even while the resort was being built, the owners of the resort were out chasing illegal fishermen away and shark finners and poachers while they were building the resort. Mark, can you tell us a little bit about the state of this area before Misool? Because you actually dove here, right?
Absolutely.
You've been to this exact spot before this resort was here.
Yep.
Can you tell us a little bit about what it was like and what it is like now, and the restoration efforts that are taking place?
Sure. So I first dove this area of Southeast Misool in 2001. And to be sure, at that time we were quite blown away by the spectacular beauty of the area, both above and below water. However, we also saw lots of shark finning boats. We saw bomb boats, lots of old bomb damage, and certainly no sharks, and not much in the way of bigger predators. I'm very happy to say that, I come back to the resort every single year, and it's fantastic to watch how it's just been on an incredibly upward trajectory since putting in protection here. So I would say that without question, we're 10 to 20 times as many sharks around now as there were back there in 2001. The same for the bigger predators, the giant trevallies, the big red snapper, Spanish mackerel. They were few and far between when I first started diving here. So there's been an enormous increase in biomass here.
I'm here with Nandit at the Misool Foundation Patrol Unit, and Nandit here is
Marine Project Leader. Yeah, so we do patrol every day, 24 hours a day, around the Misool Marine Reserve to prevent the over exploitation in the area, because this is the no-take zone area.
I'm getting the very fortunate opportunity to join these marine heroes of the Raja Ampat on a patrol where we're going to hopefully not find illegal activity. As Nada said, since the Misool Foundation has began patrol, it's gone down by a lot, and from 2017 to 2018 it's gone down 91%. It's pretty big. While we're out on patrol here, we're going to stop by and do a beach cleanup here, because as we know, plastic is one of the largest crises facing our world's oceans, and so in these remote areas, it washes up every day, and somebody's got to clean it up. So the patrol team not only patrols the oceans for poachers, but they also help clean up plastic. So we're gonna jump in there.
The last year, in 2017, we captured 110 illegal fishermen here, and 2018, last year, we just caught 10 fishermen here, so it decreased about 91% of the illegal fishing activity around the no-take zone. So I think that's a pretty high achievement from us, yeah, because we can decrease the occurrence of the illegal fishing here by do the patrol consistently.
So the overall conservation aspect of what is going on here and the connection to the Misool Foundation has a direct impact and direct result from sustainable tourism coming to this area. And by staying with Misool Resort, each guest has a donation to the Misool Foundation. And there's other programs like Adopt a Manta.
Yep.
Is that right?
Yep.
Can you explain a little bit about that?
Sure, we have a fun way of raising funds for the Misool Manta project, where you can actually sponsor a manta. It's $200 US. That money goes towards the Misool Manta project, paying for things like acoustic tags, monitoring stations. We also get funding from Misool Foundation because we're one of the projects here, and that's funded by many of our guests, by the resort, and by many other donors as well.
This experience at Misool is transformational travel defined, and it's sustainable travel defined. It's sustainable travel redefined. Every time you spend your money, you're casting a vote for the kind of world that you want. So think about that when you spend your money on travel. Where is it going? Who is it impacting? How is it making this world a better place? Because all of those things can be answered in the experiences we choose and the places we stay. Thanks.